Switzerland, I'd seen it in photos, but being here feels different. Our first day was pure rain, but somehow, even under the clouds, it was beautiful. From the drive to Lucerne, to the quiet lake, to chocolate melting down walls, this is how our Swiss journey began. We're in the border of Switzerland, kids! Look at the flag! We started early, driving through soft rain that never really stopped. Winding roads, misty hills, and lakes peeking through the fog. Even grey skies here look cinematic. By the time we reached Lucerne, the rain had become part of the view. So, first time in Lucerne, but it's raining today. But we're going to have a boat ride for 1 hour, even though it's raining. The rain didn't stop us. We took a boat across Lake Lucerne. Everything looked washed in silver light. Reflections danced on the water, and the mountains faded in and out of the clouds. It felt quiet, like the whole country was whispering its hello. After 2 years, we finally saw our friend again. It was such a sweet reunion. She cooked us a beautiful dinner, and we spent the evening catching up, laughing, and feeling right at home. That night, we checked into our hotel, Hotel Schwan in Horgen. A quiet lakeside retreat that feels like it's part of the landscape itself. The rain had finally stopped. Our family room at Hotel Schwan was surprisingly spacious, bright, simple, and perfectly cozy for a quiet night in. After a full day on the road, it felt like home, with big windows looking over the little town of Horgen. So we just arrived in our hotel here in Switzerland. It's already 10:15. We just visited our friends from here in Adlersville. It's really nice to see them. And look at the nice painting behind me. Insane. Do you like the hotel room? Good morning, everyone. Greetings from Switzerland. We stayed in this very nice romantic hotel, and the weather is better today, so we're gonna have some sightseeing and go to Horgen with the kids, and by train from Lucerne to Interlaken. Morning at the hotel was quiet. The smell of fresh coffee, warm croissants, and the comfort of a slow Swiss breakfast. So we're going to our next destination. It's going to the car where we parked. So we just found a free parking near Lindt Museum, and now we're going to the museum first, to the shop, and then taste some chocolate. Kids? Then came every traveler's dream, the Lindt Chocolate Museum. The smell hits you before you even walk in, and its fountain, a 9-meter fall of pure chocolate. Yes, it's real. They say Switzerland is the home of chocolate. Now I know why. So, what are we going to try?
Gonna try.
Iets wat Karen lekker vindt, kokosnoot milkshake.
Wat ga je Nederlands praten?
Our first morning in Switzerland ended sweet, literally, but the real adventure starts now. One of the most scenic train rides in the world.